Sige po, akit ka dun, sir. Doon ka sa
When is
stage
this
po.
gonna end?
Ayan, okay. Naawa ko sa couple natin. Si Sir, 30 minutes yung message. Yung 30 minutes na tayo yung kapatid mo. Ayan, here we go.
Ayun, pangatlo ko sa mga kapatid, pangapat siya. So, natural born na yun ko siya. Kasunod kami. So, wala akong magandang sasabihin. So, yun. Since nasabi na naman ng kapatid ko yung karamihan dapat sabihin ng kapatid yan. So, ano na lang, yung parang paalala na lang ako sa parang ngayon, yung 5 priorities na lang sa marriage. Kumbaga, ayaw na lang sa marriage kasi yung kapatid ko, tagal ng salita. Kasi number 1 is God, foundational priority syempre. Second priority is spouse. Syempre, yun lagi ang isipin, yung asawa. Hindi yung children. Children only comes third pagkatapos ng spouse. Kasi, syempre yung children, maalis yan. Pagka alis nila, sino may iwan? Spouse na. So, the fourth is the extended family, parents, relatives. And fourth is yung work, church ministry. So, yun yung 5 priorities, 1 to 5. So, laging God first, spouse, yung children, tapos yung extended family, parents, or relatives. Then, church ministry, or work. So, yun. Yun lang ayaw ko. Kasi if you follow the structure, laging magsasucceed. Proven naman yun sa Bible, magsasucceed talaga yung marriage if ipa-follow mo yung structure na. So, ayun. Tapos, mag-share din ako naman ng message from the Bible. Hindi siya from the Bible, pero scripture siya. Parang common Christian story siya about Peter and Jesus and yung disciples. Pero wala siya sa Bible. So, so yung story is parang Jesus asked the disciples to carry stones for him. Later, he chooses... Ay, wala yung story.
Wala yung story.
Yung story kasi maganda siya. Parang... One day, Jesus was walking along the road with his disciples. As they traveled, Jesus turned to them and said, I want each of you to pick up a stone and carry it for me. The disciples bent down and chose their stones. Peter, always practical, chose the smallest stone. He thought to himself, why make this harder than it needs to be? Another disciple chose large, heavy stone and struggled to carry it, trusting that Jesus had a reason for asking. After a long walk, Jesus stopped. The disciples were tired and hungry. Then Jesus performed a miracle. He turned the stones into bread and told each of them to eat what they're carrying. So, syempre, yung maliit ng stones, Peter, and carry it for me. Second time. This time, Peter remembered what happened before. Determined not to make the same mistake, he picked up the largest stone he could find. It was heavy, it slowed him down, and he was sure it would be worth it. At the end of the journey, Jesus led them to a river and said, throw your stones into the river. Walang miracle, walang bread, walang pagkain, walang reward. So, Jesus asked a simple but piercing question. Kasi nagtataka si Peter, bakit pinatapon? Diba? Tapos ang sabi ni Jesus sa kanya, tanong siya kay Jesus bakit tinapon? So, ang tanong ni Jesus sa kanya, for whom did you carry the stone? In that moment, Peter understood. But the first time, he carried a small stone because he was thinking of himself. The second time, he carried the stone because he was thinking of himself. Only this time, he was expecting something in return. So, same thing in marriage. There will always be days when love feels light, when laughter comes easy and everything feels natural. And There will always be days when love feels heavier. When patience is tested and sacrifice are real. When carrying the stone takes effort. But what makes a marriage strong isn't avoiding the heavy ways. It's choosing again and again to carry the stone for each other. Not for recognition, not for keeping the score, not because it's easy, but because love says I choose you when it's heavy. So today, celebrate natin silang dalawa. Sana willing to do that and to walk together to serve one another and carry whatever comes next side by side. So, ay ba? Why are you wearing this awkward? So yun, cheers na lang sa kanilang dalawa. Congratulations. Yun lang. Sana may namulit kayo.
Thank you so much! O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Sabi niyo maikli lang. Oo, kunentuhan pa tayo ng Bible verse. Hindi, mabait na tayong lalabas dito ngayon. Oo, thank you so much mga brothers. Maraming salamat. Oo, sa ibang bansa, sa magluto kang pakbet, ha? Oo, thank you so much. And now, this